I wanted to talk about problems with healthcare.gov, logging on issues, computer problems, technical problems. We want to help. I've got Mark here to talk about it. We've got 3 months under our belts now of problems. Talk about some specific problems that we can help with.
Well, a lot of folks have been having problems issuing and getting their subsidies, accessing SEPs, which are special election periods. People are having children and not being able to add them to the plan, just all kinds of technical issues, and really it stems from just using the site.
Right.
That's what we're here for. You know, we really want everyone to give us a call if you're having a problem in any way completing your enrollment, to make sure that we can assist you in fixing it, making sure that we get you the appropriate subsidy if you haven't been able to access the appropriate subsidy, and get you enrolled. We are professionals at it at this point, you know, with close to 10,000 people enrolled with just our organization. 149,000 people from Florida Blue alone. You know, we're very excited about being able, we've got a smooth process, and it's all of our agents are pretty efficient at doing it and get it done.
And I want to remind everybody that Florida Blue is one of the few carriers, I think maybe the only one, that has the direct link to healthcare.gov. So there is a link that we take our customers from Florida Blue right to healthcare.gov and then back. So we really are the only ones that have that I know of that have that ability to really interact between the two sites.
Yeah, we worked very closely with the government in order to get that link set up. They had been working on it since probably, you know, August or September, and it works very well. We're able to collect premium payment at the end of the application, so a lot of folks who haven't been able to pay, you know, we can make sure you pick the right plan. What we're seeing the most of is people who pick the wrong plan, pick the wrong network, their doctor wasn't participating, and that's where you need an agent. And that's why agent assistants and, you know, navigators are great in these other areas in which you can enroll. These enrollment mechanisms that they have, they work. But an agent is going to be able to define, how are my medications treated, what's the cost going to be, is my doctor in network. All are very important areas, because most people don't realize once they make a decision and they're enrolled, past the effective date and paid, then we need a special circumstance to enroll.
And we don't want to do that.
We don't want to do that. It gets very cumbersome, but we have all of that. So, you know, in talking with the government and working very closely, you know, call us so that way we can show you if we can access these special elections for you, and we can get you enrolled in the right plan.
So 1 month left, March 31st is the deadline. Won't change from anything we've seen. So if you've been having issues with the website, or as Mark mentioned, if you've been having issues with the doctor selection network, any questions you might have, we know they're out there.
Yeah, absolutely.
We know they're still out there. We've got roughly 5 weeks to help you from today. You're probably watching this video in March, so you're in the last month, and we want to help. All of our digital information is on the page, on the profile. Feel free to call us. 813-288-9500 is our local number. 800 numbers on the screen. Website, email. Please contact us. We're here to help, and we can get you taken care of pretty quickly.
Yeah, we can do beginning to end. We can 20 minutes.
Yeah.
So if you've been banging your head for 4 hours trying to get it completed, give us a call. We'll help you out. Yep, absolutely.
Thanks again, and call us.
Thank you.